Welcome back, guys. This is Swam, and in this video, I'm gonna share the most important swipe file. You can say that the most important swipe file for the members. Either you are have a free membership or the paid membership. So the swipe file is we are going to share the most important swipe file, that is a list of 150 plus business niche that are super hungry for more and more customer. Yes guys, these are the business niche list we are going to give you for free, and you can use this list and check out the different business niche looking for the sales funnels development services, email marketing services, digital marketing services, Facebook advertisement services, uh, worldwide. All right, so you can use this business list. Just pick up the two or three best business niche in which you are good, or you think that you can provide the value to these businesses. Using the Ask Me Funnels membership area, you would be able to get the plug and play sales funnel for most of them of businesses. And if they are even selling the products, we have the product sales funnel inside our membership area. You can just upgrade your membership area, and let's say you are serving to the client who has a pet store. All right, so we have the product sales funnel inside our the membership area. You can clone our product funnels and you can use that plug and play funnels and serve your clients. All right, so basically Ask Me Funnel is a complete one-stop shop to launch your own sales funnel and marketing agency. You can just get all the trainings, all the data, and all the required sales funnels and follow-up funnels, each and everything from the Ask Me Funnels, and just charge your clients according to your requirements, according to your conversation, according to your plan, and grow your agency with Ask Me Funnels. All right, so just again we have made it very simple. What you need to do is just scroll down below and click on the download 150 plus list of the business niche. Once you click on this button, you will get redirected to this PDF, and here we have revealed all the business niche which are evergreen and looking for the sales funnels and marketing services. These businesses are looking for more and more customer in a regular manner. Construction business is very good in Australia. You can pitch businesses for the Australia. Something like pet products is worldwide famous. Americans are very good for the pet niche, and education niche is worldwide evergreen basically. So this is all about the 150 plus businesses which are the high converting evergreen businesses, and they are really dying for more and more customers. So if you want to launch your own sales funnel development agency, your own marketing agency, and want to learn how you should pitch these businesses, how you should code them, what you should code them, how you can upsell them. So what you need to do is just navigate to the advanced business strategy sections, and here you would be able to get a complete training of the 5 evergreen business niche to sell sales funnels with high profit. Using these funnels, you would be able, using these our funnels and our training, you would be able to scale your agency to the 5 figures per month agency in next 30 to 60 days. All right, so there are most advanced strategies available already. Let's this strategy is again over here which can help you to understand how you can charge minimum $3,000 per week to your next client for your marketing services. All right, so what you need to do is just download these 150 plus business niche, and you can start pitching them in next 1 hour. And if you are the pro or VIP member, don't forget to explore these trainings before start pitching to your clients. All right, so if you are the free member of Ask Me Funnels, we request you can have more value from our side, because we are providing a most advanced training in the advanced business strategies which we have done for our own agency, for our clients, and we have really generated a handsome amount of money for our clients. All right, so you can upgrade your membership area so that to access these trainings. All right, so if you want to know more about the pro and VIP membership, just what you need to do is just click on the need support button, and here you can ask about the pro membership, and here you would be able to get the link to our pro membership area. All right, so also if you are interested to get the sales funnel on WordPress plus ClickFunnels platform, you should upgrade our VIP membership, and here you would be able to understand what is VIP membership and how it is a completely different from the uh, pro membership. All right, so if you have any kind of questions, you can just drop me a message using the this support section. If you are not able to get the complete answer from the support section, just click on the not helpful and type your inquiry or whatever details you want to ask me. All right, so watch this training and start pitching to your clients, and it will really help you to set up and your sales funnel and marketing agency, and quickly scale you 5 figures per month agency. So in the next video we will share the another swipe file, which is the 130 plus winning headlines, which is basically helps you to set up a hook in your sales funnel to grab the attention of your audience or the traffic you are getting in your sales funnels. All right, so thanks for watching this video and take more and more benefits from our membership area.